What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, bruh. Another video. And in this video, man, we're just gonna touch on the subject. In this video, we're just gonna touch on the subject. Why do I keep saying subject? We're gonna touch on the subject. The subject that's been going around. When I first heard about this, man, I always thought it was like a joke. I thought people didn't really believe in it or take it serious. But now that there's a lot of people coming out with different evidence, different pieces of proof on why this is and why it is this and it's not that.
Take a look at this.
Jesus Christ,
That right there is the mail. Now let's talk about the mail. Can we talk about the mail, please, Mac? I'm dying to talk about the mail with you all day, okay?
We just gotta dive right into it, man. So this is the big question, bro. This is the big question. Is the world flat? Do y'all believe the world's flat, or do you think it's a globe? Or do you think it's like a more like a cylinder type globe, like an egg? What shape is the earth? What do y'all believe, man? Leave in the comments. But yeah, we're gonna go on TikTok. I typed in on the search bar, is the world flat? And we're just gonna dive right into this side of TikTok, the conspiracy side of TikTok.
You wanna talk about stress? You wanna talk about stress? Okay? I've stumbled onto a major company conspiracy, Mac. How about that for stress?
what the hell are you talking about?
Because I've been seeing a lot of crazy videos lately on this side of TikTok. God, why do I keep saying TikTok's just a funny word to say, man? It's just a fun word to say. So stop talking, bro. Let's go right into it, baby. First video is, this is sick. NASA just dropped. Well, I can't pronounce my words, bro. Anyways, this is sick. NASA just exposed. Hashtag Earth, facts, science, flat Earth. Man, let's go.
That the Earth is flat. Watch this clip.
Watch, baby. Oh wait, can I make it bigger? Oh, this is big.
This is all fake, and I'm going to explain.
Explain it, bro. Explain it.
First of all, where are the stars? You can literally see 0 stars. This just proves that.
Okay.
This is all faked.
Alright.
It's made up in a studio, with a green screen or something, and y'all chose to ignore this. And if there were gravity on Earth, the gravity would pull him. Please don't spread false information in the comments.
Bro, literally, he didn't explain anything in this video. I don't know what he was trying to prove. Let's see what the comments are saying. Bro, never heard of light pollution. There are no stars because the camera focuses on one object. If it did not, you could see stars. If it did not, you could see stars. Mega proof Earth is flat. Okay, what? Where are the stars? The Earth is curving in front of your eyes. Bro is cooking nothing. Yeah, bro, I agree, bro. You didn't expose a damn thing. You didn't explain a damn thing either. All right, next video.
So you may be asking yourself, how is this guy so sure that the Earth is flat? Flight paths. It makes it pretty obvious. Now, in this flight, they made a stop in Amsterdam, which on the globe would make no sense. Why wouldn't they just fly from here straight through and stop in Africa? Here's another one that won't make any sense. Why did they go all the way up to Calgary here when they could have landed, you know, somewhere in America? Okay, this one's gotta be seriously obvious to you guys. From London to Pakistan. And they emergency landing in Moscow. Why did they land it down here around, and the most obvious one of all, my favorite. These guys landed in LA. If they had, just look, guys, it's all.
I was looking. I didn't really see none about that either. I'm 100% on the flat Earth train already. Just want someone to show UK/Europe to Oz on the FE map. Would it make sense to go via Russia to China? That's another thing, man. That's we might stumble, we're most likely gonna stumble upon a TikTok where they got a map. I guess like it's like an older ancient map that depicts the Earth being flat, and like pretty much Antarctica is a big wall barrier that is keeping us within our like our container. And once you jump over that wall that is called Antarctica, then you will see other worlds out there, and that's actually where like aliens are coming from, and like it shows all that on the map and stuff, and like that's why like I think it was like Operation High Jump, Operation Fishbowl, and then what's his name, General Byrd? Yeah, General Byrd. He had a whole like journal full stuff that he witnessed when he took his expedition out there. But yeah, man, as you can see, I have been on this side. I have been on this side of this platform, so I know a little bit about this. I know a lot, actually. I know a lot. But let's keep going, bro. Let's keep going.
Mostly just a big ball of lava. That's Earth. But 10,000 feet is not a big deal.
Have you given any consideration whatsoever to the flat Earth movement?
Haha. I think that's a troll situation.
Oh, it's not.
I thought it was a
No,
troll
it's not.
situation too. I thought.
You would like to think that
Okay.
because you're a super genius.
Haha.
But I, as a normal person, I know there's people way dumber than me. And they really, really believe. They watch YouTube videos which go on uninterrupted and spew out a bunch of fucking fake facts very eloquently and articulately. And they really believe. These people really believe.
I mean, if it works for them, sure. Fine.
Weird though, right?
And it's mostly just a
Yeah, man. I don't think anybody can convince me into believing that the Earth is flat, bro. Not one person. And I know that I was debating if I want to do like a YouTube video, because there's this one guy on YouTube that like literally has like all the facts on flat Earth, or if I just wanted to scroll down TikTok. I think the TikTok method is a lot more fun and better because you see different perspectives from a lot of different people, and they got the comment section right here. Let's see what the comments was on that one.
and it's mostly
Elon knows it is. He's just laughing it off. His rockets hit the firmament. Pretty much the firmament is the glass bowl that keeps us, within the fines, or within the container that Antarctica surrounds. So it's like our container. That's why every time they shoot a rocket up, they always say, it curves. It curves because it's hitting the firmament, and then it's curving along the glass bowl, and then coming back down to Earth, or coming back down to us. And then all the pictures from NASA, all that is fake. So that's what he's saying right here with the firmament. That's funny because Elon Musk knows there's a firmament that his rockets won't go through, and now he's a flat earther. People on TikTok are wild, dog. His body language changes the moment the flat earth theory is brought up. Bro, people think they know everything about everything on the internet, bro. Not Elon Musk shooting rockets into the firmament, trying to break through it without any success. The earth is not flat. No discussion. I agree. Let's go ahead and give you a like. Bro, look at these likes. I forgot they had likes over here. Well, 1,648 people like this. Not 1,959. Only 263 like this one. But people really believe this stuff, man. They really believe that. I'm into conspiracies, bro. I am. But the flat earth conspiracy is just like, that's insane to me, bro. That was insane.
The
Let's
Earth
go.
is 100% flat, and here's why.
Tell
when
me.
you look out at the horizon, it appears straight, not curved. Wouldn't a curved Earth mean a curved horizon? And there are no genuine photos of the entire Earth from space. They're all CGI or manipulated in some way. And objects fall due to other forces, not some invisible gravitational pull. And look at any body of water, like oceans or lakes, they appear flat. If the Earth was curved, then wouldn't there be a visible curve to the water? And now I'm going to debunk every single point I just made. While the horizon looks flat to our eyes, it's due to the scale. Pilots and
Okay.
astronauts have observed the Earth's curvature firsthand, and there are authentic photos of the entire Earth from space. Think about the Apollo missions, the International Space Station, and modern satellites. They provide indisputable proof, and Newton's law of universal gravitation is well tested and documented. It's the reason why planets orbit the sun and why things fall down here on Earth. And the curve of water bodies isn't easily visible due to Earth's vast size. However, engineers and architects do take into Earth's curvature on large-scale projects, proving there is a curve.
Yeah.
The Earth is 100.
At least he did that like that. I really thought he was part of the flat earth community. If the earth is flat, why is the end of the earth not a tourist attraction? Facts. But if there was an end of the earth, bro, they would definitely be capitalizing off of that. You know what I mean? Like, it would be a huge tourist attraction. The water hides the curve. Notice why ocean gets deeper. We are just too small. Where's the edge of the earth then? Real. It's all about perspective, isn't it? Deletes paragraph cutely. Let's watch some of those.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know? Nobody's gonna know.
I don't know what that. I think what they're trying to do, because I think they made them this themselves. So this is Antarctica. This is the big wall, and then it's surrounding all of us. And then over here you can see like these other bodies of water, and I think you might see land there. Like there's other worlds out there that are as big or even bigger than, you know, this world that we call Earth. You realize just how massive Antarctica is, right? You wouldn't be able to see it curve. So if the flat Earth is true, then how do we have 4 different seasons? Every scientist now and throughout history would have to be in a cover-up to hide a flat Earth, not buying it. That's facts, bro.
This pilot, from Greece, proves flat Earth. He filmed the sun and the moon at the same time, on a flat horizon.
Από τα δεξιά έχουμε τον ήλιο που δει και από τα αριστερά έχουμε το φεγγάρι.
This pilot, from
I never understood why that proved flat Earth. Explain lunar eclipse. I'm sitting outside now. I can see both moon and sun. You can literally see the sun half covered by the horizon. Yeah, I know you can literally see the moon out during random times of the day. How does this prove flat Earth? Facts. I actually took a picture. I might put it in the video, but I had literally seen the moon in the sky outside when the sun was up. It was like 10 in the morning, and I still seen the moon outside. So I don't know how this proves flat Earth at all. I don't know.
Does anyone else find this a little concerning? If we are on a supposed globe, this has never happened. This flight from Taiwan to Los Angeles, there's an emergency along the way and needed to land the plane as quickly as possible. Why in the world would they land all the way up there in Alaska? If we are on a supposed globe, Hawaii is just right there. Oh, I get it now. Taiwan to Los Angeles, Alaska is right on the way. This flight from Argentina to India, emergency happened along the way, so they stopped all the way up in Amsterdam. Like, why didn't they go straight across? Oh wait, they did. Argentina to India.
Well, that's not proving anything at all. You just explained the Earth is round, knows nothing about air travel. I've heard many pilots say the Earth is flat. I trust them more than anyone because they actually see this stuff every single day. What pilots you talking to, man? Okay, so the Earth is flat now. What do I gain from learning this? Nothing. Let's see what else, man. The world is flat. Here is your proof. All right, bro. Prove it, bro. Prove it. I have not been proved or convinced yet, bro. What's going on?
Flat.
There we go. Bro, what does this prove at all? This is just a video diagram of some bullshit. That's what this is. Alright, man, come on, bro. Someone prove it to me, man. No one has convinced me.
Measure from one point to the other.
Okay.
And it won't connect.
Alright.
Now measure around Antarctica. It won't connect.
Okay.
Measure around Brazil. Connects. Measure around Africa. Connects. measure around the North Pole, does not connect.
Flat
Earth.
Bro, what the fuck are people talking about, bro? Bro has never on his life heard of the size of things, bro. You see flat Earth because Earth is huge. A tiny piece of circle is like a flat land. We are tiny. I believe I say tiny. Well,
Pay
no.
close attention and you'll see that the globe debunks itself.
Watch. As ships sail away,
They
don't disappear all at once. No, first, the bottom will disappear. See, the bottom of the ship is gone. Now we can see midway up, and then the whole thing disappears. Now, ships came back. They didn't fall off the table. So people realized that the world is curved. I mean, it's a big curve, but it's curved.
Average American male is 5 feet 9.5 inches tall, which allows a visible range of about 3 miles in every direction from sea level.
Let's say you're standing on the ground looking out on a clear day. You can probably see the horizon. That's about 3 miles away.
Okay, we know the horizon is 3 miles away from the average viewer, right? Let's see how much the Earth curves in a distance of 3 miles. In 3 miles, the Earth only curves 6 feet, right? And they want you to think an entire ship is sailing over a 6-foot curve and disappearing right before your eyes. The math ain't mathing. Let me show y'all exactly what's happening.
There's no quarter on the table. You can't see one. It's a flat table too, I promise you. But watch what happens when I apply a little technological magic. There it is, in full view. Watch as it disappears from the bottom up as I back away.
Ballin', 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 ballin'. Oh, can't you tell him? Ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, can't you tell him? A little boyfriend was in the Impala.
Yo, it's crazy the amount of false knowledge people be having on the internet. This dude said the math ain't mathing right, but literally had to go to a website to do the math for him. So what kind of math do you really know, man? If you can't even do the equation yourself without a website, bro, what math are you mathing, bro? Like, you're just plugging in numbers, not knowing how to even read it. You don't even know what the hell you're doing, bro. Oh my God, man. And I don't know what that last test was about. Zooming in and zooming out of the table. Yo, people would just be coming up with the craziest science experience stuff. Why is this debate still going on? Let's see. That's what I'm saying. Does it really matter? At the end of the day, it really doesn't matter. Like, who cares? Who cares? Like, me knowing that the Earth is round or flat, which it really is round, ain't putting no money in my pockets. Ain't gonna pay my bills.
The flat Earth ice.
But it is a fun debate. So we're gonna watch some more videos.
The flat Earth ice wall, they call it Antarctica.
Yep, there it is.
The flat Earth ice wall, they call it Antarctica.
Okay. That's another thing. That's another reason why people think that the Earth is flat too, is because like, I know you see these people, and I don't know if this is even Antarctica that they're on, but yeah, apparently you're not allowed to expedition out into Antarctica, and if you do want an expedition out into Antarctica, you have to like sign a bunch of papers and stuff, and there's only a specific area that is opened to the public, and the rest is like completely sealed off to anybody. Nobody can go there. Only like military personnel and stuff.
I'm at the highest point.
So people think it's very, very sus. People think it's sus. People think it's sus because they can't go travel out to Antarctica. Crazy.
See, and I have the selfie stick that reaches up into the atmosphere. This is my final test to show you, just in fact, that the Earth is truly round. No more jokes now, guys. What's it like up there? The air is so thin.
Whoa.
Way out there.
Yo, that is crazy.
I have the selfie stick that reaches up into the atmosphere. This is my final test to show you, just in fact, that the Earth is truly round. No more joke.
That camera's insane.
What's it like up there?
I wish I was there. That would
Air
be
is
fire.
so thin. Way out there.
Wow. Okay. If the Earth is flat, how eclipse happened? If the Earth is flat, what is on the other side of it? If the Earth is flat, why is it a spear in space? Why is it a spear in space?
How high up did Bezos and Branson go?
Proof that the Earth is flat
Finally, let's
and
see.
dinosaurs
Let's
weren't
see.
wiped out by an asteroid.
Okay, tell us, baby, tell us.
Proof that the
Yo, people mocking this. I'm seeing that a lot of videos are mocking this, but there are seriously people out there that think this, man. They really think this.
Researchers spent $20,000 to prove the Earth is flat, and you won't believe what they found.
This one looks serious.
In 2019, researchers aimed to provide evidence for a flat Earth by purchasing ring laser gyroscopes, which are highly precise instruments for measuring Earth's motion. They hypothesized that if the Earth were a sphere, the gyroscopes would exhibit a 15-degree drift per hour. Despite their confidence that this wouldn't be the case, the device unexpectedly displayed a 15-degree drift when activated. Astonished by this observation, the researchers were reluctant to accept it as conclusive and continued their investigations. To eliminate potential external factors, they conducted further experiments in a zero-Gauss chamber and a bismuth chamber, but the gyroscopes consistently demonstrated the same 15-degree drift. Determined to explore alternative methods, they devised a new experiment involving two boards with holes. Placing the boards at a specific distance apart, they positioned a camera on one side and a light on the other. According to their reasoning, if the Earth were flat, the camera would detect the light at the same height as the cameras. Conversely, if the Earth were round, the light would need to be elevated for researchers spent 20...
What the hell is that, man? What is that?
Ladies and gentlemen,
The world is flat.
I want someone to convince me, dude.
No ice.
There, this is the map I think I was talking about earlier. This is it.
Around any of these areas, okay? There's North America, South America,
1587.
Africa, India, Russia, China. Okay, so very similar to this map. North America, South America, Africa, India, China, Russia. Okay? Only thing different, Australia. There is no Australia here because it hasn't been discovered yet. This is 1587. Australia wasn't discovered until 1606. So that's why that's not there. But my main question is, if this is a globe flattened out and this is on the bottom, right? What the fuck is this? There's no ice on it. And guess what? Antarctica hadn't been discovered yet. Antarctica was discovered in 1820. And if you look, oh look, there's an alligator, there's a camel, warm weather animals. So, you want to explain to me, first thing, what the hell is this, all this land? And second thing, what froze them? What happened between 1587 and 1892 where those areas got frozen?
All right. So that's his argument. Damn, I think my camera's about to stop recording here. I think. I don't know. If it does, I'll just start it again. But yeah, man, a lot of people like to reference this map when it comes to flat Earth because all the dry land over here and the dry land animals and all that, and them saying that Antarctica wasn't discovered yet, Australia wasn't discovered yet. Let's see some, man. When was Antarctica? Damn, ain't nothing coming up. Oh, January 1820 is the first sighted by European explorers. The first person to actually see the Antarctica mainland has been debated. In the last week of January, Thaddeus von Bellingshausen reported seeing an ice shore of extreme height. Okay. How did people in the 1500s know about Antarctica? Oh my God, these names are insane. Who passed through the Straits of Magellan in 1520? Assumed that the island of Tierra del Fuego to the south were extensions of the unknown southern land, and it appeared as such on a map by Ortelius Terra Australis Recento Eventa. All right, that's a whole different language, bro. Okay. Let's see when was Australia discovered? Let's see what we got here. 1606. All right, so this is a map from 1587. This is 1606. All right, do some research on the Piri-Reis map from the 1500s that was drawn by using older maps. This has Antarctica on it before it was covered in ice. The Ice Age. Flash freeze. That Antarctica before the freeze. That's Antarctica before the freeze. The dark continent is real. What about the Ice Age, or was that just a movie? Man, I'm gonna just stop it right there, bro, because none of these videos on TikTok.
I will convince you the Earth is flat.
Okay, maybe one more video. Watch just one last video and that's it. But nobody has convinced me, bro. Y'all just talking out your ass.
Flat in 60 seconds or less. We first proved the Earth was a sphere using a literal stick in the ground. So it's not hard to understand space looks different to people in the southern and northern hemispheres. I mean, compare the moons. This only makes sense if people in Australia are upside down relative to the northern hemisphere. And what about lunar eclipses? The Earth's shadow is cast onto the moon as a perfect circle. And what about our literal photos of Earth? Do flat earthers use GPS? Because GPS only works because of the satellites orbiting our very spherical Earth. And we can see other planets using telescopes. Why are they spherical? But Earth isn't. Do you guys think the Earth is flat? Comment below and let me know. I will convince you the Earth is...
I don't know if... yeah, it was presenting evidence against the theory. He is...
This is...
Nobody. That's it, man. We ain't doing this no more. Yeah, all these videos that we seen, dog, and one of them convinced me, bro. So let me know what y'all think, man. Do y'all think the world is flat, or do you think it is round, bro? Because if you ask me, I would say you are out your goddamn mind, bro, because it is not flat, bro. You're gonna tell me that every other planet in the solar system is round, and we're the only planet that isn't round? That we're the only planet is, or are you gonna tell me that all the planets out there that they have pictures of, and you know, NASA, what do I keep saying? NASA keeps releasing our fake photoshopped images of other planets, and we don't really know what the other planets look like. Man, y'all just crazy. People are getting crazy. I think a lot of people are just trying way too hard to be woke. And yeah, I think people are trying way too hard to be woke. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Do y'all think the world's flat? Do you think it is round, like we have been taught? You know, they got pictures and stuff. But yeah, let me know what you think, man. I'm gonna just leave it at that, dog. Man, this video, man, I just wanted to make a quick video, man, because I was roaming on that side of TikTok, and I was like, man, let me go ahead and make a quick video, bro. But yeah, man, go ahead and like the video if you liked it, man. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and share. I don't know why you'd share, man, but just go ahead and share, dog. Go ahead and share. But yeah, man, I want to thank y'all, or everybody that has been subscribing lately. It's really been helping my channel out, man. I really appreciate it. But yeah, man, I still don't know how to end these videos, bro. So I'm gonna just say peace out and stop talking. Peace out.